वीवीआईपी तरीके से रीच टूगेदर और ज्ञान को समझना अगर किसी कारणवश मैंने ये राइटर मिस किया और टेक नंबर 1 क्रॉस करके टेक नंबर 11 की तरफ बढ़ा दैट्स यहाँ पे गोल मूवमेंट वो लोग टेक नंबर 5 की तरफ चला जाते हैं लेकिन मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि टेक नंबर 10 पर भी सर एक आयरन टेकर जिसके आगे वो भी प्लान करेंगे सर ये लोग यहाँ जाके पहुंच जाते हैं इसके साथ उसी समय वाइस प्रेसिडेंट किशोर खान जी का भी निकलने का समय सर तो उम्मीद है यहाँ पे गेम नंबर 11 पर खड़ा था ये लोग सर आयरन गेट और ओविला लेकर कौन सा प्लानिंग करते हैं सर युद्ध लेते हुए नौकरी गाड़ी गेट नंबर 11 के सामने वाइस प्रेसिडेंट साहब की गाड़ी का टक्कर आती है और से उनकी गाड़ी यहाँ पे फुटपाथ पर चल जाती है पांचों टेररिस्ट गाड़ी से उतरते गोलियां चलाकर गेट नंबर पहला टेररिस्ट गेट नंबर 1 पे मारा जाता है दूसरा सर गेट नंबर 9 10 के बीच में दो टेररिस्ट सर गेट नंबर 9 पे मारे जाते हैं और आखिर सर ये 5 और 6 के बीच में मारे जाते हैं हमारे 9 6 हुए सिर्फ 9 बोल रहे हैं तो ये लोग ने मशहूर खाना देते हैं और पाले को इंस्टीट्यूशन का लाइफ देता है
Good morning, all. Good morning, all. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir.
Am I audible, man?
Yes, sir.
Great. What is the last one we were discussing yesterday?
Last video.
Okay. $84.6. Did we found out that?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Right. That is the last one, I think. No?
Yes, sir.
See, Earth will be revolving, rotating about its axis in which direction? This is east side, west side. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
From where to where it will rotate? West to east. Remember, it comes like this.
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you tell what is the direction of omega of Earth? Direction. Is from where to where? West to east. So now grab your fingers and fold it like this. Okay. This will be what? Omega of Earth. How do you get omega? Hold the four fingers in the direction of rotation. The extended thumb gives the direction of omega. Remember that?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So now, suppose there is a satellite here. Some satellite, some object revolving around us in the same direction. Okay. So what is the angular velocity of the satellite? In the same direction, up or down, no? Any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir.
Right. Now let us take, there is a point here. On the equatorial plane, for example, there is a point here. Point on the Earth. Now the satellite is here. Okay. It is seen at t equals to 0. Again, suppose if Earth is at rest, if Earth is at rest, can you tell angle swept by orbit of satellite to appear at S1 back again? Can you tell how much it will be? Think logically. Understood what I am saying? Boys, what are there?
Yes, sir.
See, when it is there, it should come back here. Can't you tell how much it has to rotate?
360 degrees.
Sir, 2 pi, sir.
Hmm. 2 pi radian. No? Understood this? This one I will translate into the language of physics. If Earth is at rest, satellite in motion. So what is that called? Angular. Sorry. Theta of satellite with respect to Earth is how much? 2 pi, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but omega of satellite with respect to Earth into for one rotation time is t only, no? So for example delta t. So this is again at t equals to t. Okay, the time interval is 2 pi or not? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is nothing but remember this. So this is 2 pi by ts minus 2 pi by t. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Now all this will get cancelled. No? Yeah. All this will cancel. T minus ts by t ts is 1. Do you agree with this? So what is this? T ts by t minus ts. Do you agree with this or not? Any doubt is there till here?
No doubt,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
So I can say that this is the time interval between consecutive appearances overhead means above the person. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Till here, any doubt is there? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Complete this.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. 1 minute. Noted, sir.
See, suppose this satellite always has to be staying there only. Then what should happen? Both should have same time period now. See, if this is taking 24 hours, this also takes 24 hours. You can see always if satellite, then what will happen? Always satellite appears to be
At same position.
appears to be at same point or not.
Yes, sir.
See, for example, you're staying in one house. Your neighbors are also staying, but the house you will always see the house of your neighbor just adjacent to you know why? Because even the earth is rotating, all the particles are having same omega. Imagine that the neighbor's house is having greater omega than yours. Then what will happen? The house will be turning better angle, no? Your house is there,
Yes,
it
sir.
turns by an angle of 30 degrees. Suppose that house goes by some 80 degrees. So definitely you can see that that won't be your adjacent house tomorrow. Understood or not? So because all points are having same omega, we are seeing that the points are intact there only. Agreed or not? Suppose it's a door here, you are turning this. Now all points of the door rotate by the same amount, no? Imagine the upper part has 20 degrees, lower part has 70 degrees, what will break now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear? That means satellite always appears to be at the same point, no? Agreed?
Agreed,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That means this time is infinity, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed. That means there is no interval. The time interval itself is infinite. What is the meaning of that? Frequency of appearance is zero, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the frequency of appearance?
0.
0. 1 by T.
That means frequency is zero means what will happen? There is
Then,
no motion only, no?
no motion. Appears every time.
Agreed. So what will happen? Satellite always appears to be how
Same position. Placed in the same position.
At the same.
stationary
Yes, sir.
for an observer
On Earth.
on Earth. Understood this? So this is Earth stationary. So what is such satellites called?
Geostationary satellite.
Satellites
Stationary, sir.
are called geostationary. Means they appear stationary to Earth. Understood this? Note on
Yes,
this.
sir.
Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
No, sir. No doubt.
Not also clear.
Finished this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Complete.
So you can say that if omega of satellite is equal to omega of Earth, okay, then what will happen?
The relative velocity, relative omega will be 0. The Earth.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
what is it called? Can you tell? Orbit of geostationary. See, when you go to, you'll go on a vehicle to some shopping mall or something. What you'll do the vehicle before going?
We,
Park. So means what is the meaning of park?
we are stopping the car somewhere.
Huh?
Bringing the
Stopping the car somewhere.
Bringing it to keeping it at rest, no?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in that orbit, the satellite appears to be at rest. Therefore, it's called as parking orbit.
Yes.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Now, yesterday you have seen that T equals how much? 2 pi r cube by gm. Remember?
Yes, sir.
2
Yes, sir.
pi, this is nothing but r plus h whole cube by gm is g r square. No? This is 24 hours, 60 minutes, 60 seconds. Okay? 2 pi root over 6400 kilometers h by. Okay?
Yes,
Correct.
sir. Follow.
Okay,
Yes,
we
sir.
can do, we'll say that as gr square. Now, g is how much? 9.8. R is 6400 kilometers only. I'm keeping as it is.
Kilometers.
Okay, so that H you'll be getting upon solving, you'll be getting around 40, around I'm saying, not exactly, 42,000 kilometers. So if you remove that, what is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Not 40,000, sorry. You'll be getting around 36,000. Approximately, I'm saying. So height of geostationary satellite, that means this is R, this is the satellite, this distance is how much?
36,000.
36,000 kilometers. This is the center. Okay, so the from C to S is R plus H, 6400 plus around 42,000 kilometers. Understood this? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Sir, 6400 plus 36,000 is 42400. No, sir.
Pardon?
Sir, 6400 plus
Yes,
36,000 is
man. It is. I told you this is also not exactly 36. Approximately, the meaning of this is nearly. Followed. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are having 1,0836 rupees 50 paise. Anybody asks how much you have, man, usually what you say? Around 1 lakh, you will say. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, G is not 9.8. It is a big number actually. Pi is 3.14 is a recurring decimal. Are you not taking as 22 by 7? The approximate. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Next. See, suppose this is Earth, some satellite is there. This is R. Now this is the velocity of the satellite now. So
Yes,
now
sir.
I can say that on view, this is the planet. Okay, the planet is moving like this, means that is also moving like this. The velocity, this is R. So what is the angular momentum?
Sir, R and V. Anti-gravitational R and V clockwise. Clockwise. Sorry, anti-clockwise.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
This is orbital velocity, no?
Yes, sir. Orbital velocity.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see depends on both understood this? Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Shall I turn?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn, man?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, is angular momentum conserved? It's orbit, no?
Yes, sir.
No, this is satellite. This is V naught. Now, actually, there is an attractive force on this, no? Gravitational force.
Yes, sir. There is.
Okay. And this is the center, no? This is R, no?
Ah,
What is R cross F?
0.
That means, agreed or not?
Yes, sir. Not all.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
See, this is the planet. Actually, the satellite will be moving, say, in an elliptical orbit. This is R, for example, at t equals to t. At t equals t plus dt, this will be r plus dr, no? Do you
Yes,
agree with this?
yes, sir. For
Yes,
the
sir.
So, what is the area traced by the satellite?
integral y dx means integral.
Yeah.
Area is swept by time.
Do you agree with this? Now,
Yes,
can you tell what is this area?
yes, sir. Integral y.
Half r into r plus dr. Remember this?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Remember this?
Yes, sir. Half into a cross b. Yes,
Do you agree with this or not?
agree, sir. Agree, sir.
Or we'll do one thing. Suppose you don't know this. You know that at least area is how much? Area of sectoral, you know.
Yes, sir. Area of sector.
What is area of sector?
Theta into theta with this.
half r square theta. Remember this? Don't know. Hopeless fellow. Okay, we'll do one thing. It's a triangle, no?
Yes, sir. We can.
So in a triangle, I can use half AB sine theta. That at least remember.
Yes, sir. That will remember, sir. A cross
Yes,
B.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
That is approximately, this is very small, no? I can take like this in approximately. That at least remember this part.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Hello. Half
Sine
r square
R
theta.
square, sir.
So d by dt half r square theta. Agreed. So this is nothing but
Yes, sir.
half d by dt of r square theta. Any doubt is that till here?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Clear? Now for circular orbit r remains constant. Okay. This is d theta by dt. That is half r square omega. Any doubt is that till here?
No, clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Please, sir. 1 minute.
Till here any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us go ahead. You have L is what?
Sir. Yes, sir. Angular momentum. Sorry, sir.
L is constant. What does it mean?
Sir,
Mr square omega is
constant.
constant. Mass is anyhow constant, no?
Yes, sir. Constant.
Now you have what is dA by dt just now we got half
R square omega.
r square omega. So this is constant only, no?
Yes, sir. Constant only.
Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
So this is nothing but before myself, Kepler found this. Okay. So it was named in his honor. Kepler's second law of constancy of aerial velocity.
Sir, screen is not clear, sir. Now it's clear.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Agreed, sir.
Is a consequence of what?
Conservation of angular momentum.
See how beautifully the subject can be attached as one after other, one after other. Right from vectors, connection is there. You should enjoy that, man.
Enjoying, sir.
Not enjoy. Shall I turn this? I think you don't have classes from 10th April, I think, no? 10 or 15th. Again, we'll start the classes in the month of June. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Sir, one
Yes.
doubt.
Tell me.
What if aerial velocity constant means anything happen to area, sir? Means
Pardon?
is it anywhere related to area, sir? Means area is changing or anything like that?
I did not get you, man. What you are saying?
Sir, uh, sorry, sir. My question is irrelevant.
I'll tell you, wait.
Yes,
Now, what you have, aerial velocity
dA by dt.
is half r square omega, half r into r omega, no?
Yes, sir.
That is half into r into v, no?
Yes,
Do
sir.
you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
That means this is constant, no? That means rv is constant, no? That
Okay.
means if r is more, what will happen?
V is less.
V is less. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
That means if the object is farther from the planet, it will move slow.
Yeah.
If it is near to that is all God's gift, man. See, this is the sun, no?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Earth is there. It is moving around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Okay. When
Yes.
it is far away, it is moving slowly. When it comes nearer to the sun,
It will be faster.
it moves faster. That is the reason why we are protected now. Imagine it takes long time to move around the sun. Definitely, when we are nearer to that, we'll have more heat. No, it is dangerous. No.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes.
nature has taken care that we are not suffering much even if the earth is nearing to sun. Understood this?
Correct, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's the reason why God is greatest scientist.
Correct, sir. Correct, sir.
When you respect God, first of all, you should enjoy the gifts of God and study them properly. Leaving this, you will do all other things.
We will study, sir. We will study, sir. We are studying, sir.
Some other classes going on parallelly.
Yes, sir. IP class. Recordings.
Who?
Sir, I am recording, sir.
IP class you are recording.
I not IP, sir. Here, classes bigger. 12th class.
Oh, your board class. Ah.
Yes, sir. Board classes. Recording. After your class, want to hear, sir. Also, they have asked me to open the video. That's why I am standing from there.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you have to stand before the video and act as if you are listening, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Right. This is completed, no?
Completed, sir. Completed.
Note on this. The second two laws already we discussed, remember?
Remember, sir, yesterday.
Yes, sir. Remember.
No, third law started discussed.
Yeah. Completed this.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please.
Finished?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute. Sir.
Complete.
Done, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Right.
Done.
See, we say that, for example, MVR is constant. No?
Yes. Here is correct.
So V is inversely proportional to R. No?
Yes,
Again,
sir.
what is the
Yes.
orbital velocity? V is inversely
1 by R.
proportional to 1 by R. No?
Yes, sir. We stand directly
So which one to believe? Which one to believe?
which one, sir? Sir,
This is correct or this is
1 by
correct? This is correct or this is correct?
sir, uh,
Hello, I'm asking a
sir,
question.
yes, sir, we are hearing, sir.
Nobody are there to answer this.
Sir, thinking, sir.
Correct.
Any answer? Okay, anyhow. See, this is nothing but this is V1, this is R1, this is R2, this is V2. Agreed?
Yes. Great, great, sir.
So, V is inversely proposed to R, okay, holds good for different point of same orbit. Now come back to this. This is one orbit. This is another orbit. So this is R. This is V1. Another satellite moves in this.
Yes.
So understood or not? So this
Agreed,
is
sir.
for holds good for what?
Circular orbit.
Understood this? Is it clear?
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Sir, but second point I didn't understand, sir. V directly proportional to 1 by root
This
of.
one only.
Yes, sir.
So this is for different orbits, no? If the satellite is in orbit of radius r1, any point you have the same value.
Yes,
Here
sir.
also in this orbit, all points have same value. Okay, that means V is same for all points
Same orbit.
or in other words we can say orbit to orbit V changes.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, please. 1 minute.
Is it clear?
Completed. Clear, sir.
So can you once please turn the page, sir?
Energy of a satellite.
Yes, sir. Noted, sir.
What is the energy of a satellite? You can see it has potential energy, mass of satellite. This is the potential at a height h.
Under root of GM by H plus.
No, potential is this one, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Remember, sir. Minus GMM by R plus H.
Great.
Agreed, sir.
Remember this. What is the kinetic energy?
Half MV square, MV naught square, orbital velocity. Under root of GM by R. Whole square.
So what is the total energy?
GMM by 2R. GMM by 2R. Yes.
Do you agree with this?
Agree, sir. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Minus GMM by 2R.
Now you can see this is the total energy, no?
Yes, sir. Total energy.
Kinetic energy by total energy is how much, man? See?
So minus 1.
So K is what?
Minus 2.
Next. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir. Please. Completed, sir. Complete.
Right. So here, what is the kinetic energy?
GMM by 2.
What is the potential energy?
Sorry, minus GM by R. Minus GMM by R.
Total energy. So if you draw the graph, so okay. So now you can see kinetic energy decreases like this. It is positive, no?
Yes, sir. Kinetic energy is positive.
Now both are negative. Now which is greater among this? If you forget about the sign, which is greater?
Potential energy. Potential energy.
Potential
GMM
is
by R.
greater. This is greater. So that is
Yes.
greater means it will be farther like this. Remember this? This is total energy. Understood this? This is nothing but the potential energy. Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
The more the value, the farther it will be. I think you have seen Boyle's law, no? P versus V.
Sir, PV equals constant.
As you go ahead, that means PV is more for this. This is P1, V1, P2, V2, P2, this is V2. V2 is greater than P1, V1. Suppose another thing curve is like this. Then P3, V3 is more than that. Understood it? As you go further, the value of that quantity will increase. This is more, no? And both are negative. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Shall I term this?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Shall I term this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Right. Now you can see what is the total energy?
Minus GMM by 2R.
Is negative, no?
Yes, yes.
What is the meaning? See, why you are staying with parents? Why can't you go to America?
No, sir. We will not get means.
No, now you are having negative economic energy. Okay. Suppose your economic energy is just zero. Zero means whatever you are earning, it is sufficient for your living only. Okay. Then you can just detach from your family. Suppose your economic energy is very high. Okay. Then you'll move to other country, no? That means now you are binded to the family because of negative economic energy. When it is zero, you will just get detached. More than that, you will escape. Understood this? Clear or not? So here also, negative energy means always there is Another way. Now suppose you did not get IIT, you are not, you are still you have to get IIT, you are binded because you are negative, you are having negative academic energy. You just got IIT. Then what will happen? Okay, you'll call me, thank you, sir. You'll say, okay, right.
Yes.
After you get the IIT degree and graduate and get a job, you will forget everything. Reason is you are having positive. Now you won't listen my classes now. Suppose if you call Jasin, come and join my class, you listen. Huh? You won't even bother also. Why? Because you have positive academic energy. So
Yes,
here
sir.
remember that always his system is binded because of some
Yes.
deficiency. Understood this? See, the whole world is based on this principle. We try to bond towards something because of that. We don't have that. You want to buy a car. Why? You are having deficiency of a car. You feel like buying. After
Yes, sir.
purchasing, that affection and all will become normal. Anything only at the beginning, and once you acquire that, you don't have that much affection towards it. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
A male tries to marry a female. Why? Because that fellow is not having the female characteristics. Similarly, female wants to marry. Why male won't marry man? Because we always tries to acquire what we don't have. That means we try to make our negativities to be at least zero or positive.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So negative means that the satellite.
Is binded to its gravitation
You
force.
know how correctly you're understanding everything.
Yes, sir. We are understanding. Yes,
You finished boards also, man. Now that second year boards also are running, see.
yes, sir. Going on, sir.
Electrostatics they started, eh?
Sir, what, sir?
Electrostatics, physics what they started.
Sir, electric charges and fields. First lesson.
Mm.
Last week only started, sir. That's the first lesson only.
See, for example, energy supplied must be greater than zero, no?
Yes, sir. Greater than zero. Detached from its gravitation.
Unbound. Agreed.
Yes, sir. Agreed, sir.
So what is energy supplied this?
Minus total energy. Means minimum energy. GMM by yes, by 2.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear till here?
Clear, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute. 1 minute.
See, what is this minimum value? Can you tell?
Sir, GMM by 2 or minimum value.
Minimum. What is this? Some word is there for this. What is this?
Sir, binding energy. Binding energy.
Yes. This is the binding energy.
Numbers.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
The minimum energy required to be supplied to a satellite so that it will become unbound is called as binding energy.
Yes, sir. Binding.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Today is 31st. Huh? Shall I go ahead? Any doubts are there in today's class?
No
No
doubts,
doubt.
sir.
No, sir.
Right. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay.
So
Okay,
one thing,
sir.
sir. Sir,
Tell me.
yesterday I asked one doubt, no, sir,
Yes.
related to this rotational mechanics. You said
Hmm.
you will say today.
What is that?
Sir, means just after collision, that question, no, sir. Friction is acting or not? That question. A ball is kept, and I am throwing another ball onto it. This ball is on a rough surface, and
Hmm.
still they are not considering friction. That question, sir.
What for you have to consider friction? I didn't understand.
Sir, because rough surface,
Yes, man. For what? What? It is a rough surface only. And what you are considering?
sir, considering friction means
No, man. He is applying which what he is applying without considering friction.
sir, means he is not taking friction, so there is no force, and also
No,
not
man. That without taking for friction for what he has done, you tell. He
yes, sir.
applied which law?
He applied conservation of angular momentum. Uh,
About lowest point he might be applying.
no, sir. About center in that question.
You posted that to me.
Yes, sir. I
No,
tried. Yes, sir. I posted some days before, sir.
some 1 week before. Okay,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
go through that.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
the question I'll do. Okay,
Yes, sir. In my solution, maybe some problems may be there, sir.
I'll be checking. Wait. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right.
Right. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. హలో, కర్మల చేసావా? సరే సరే సరే, ఓకే ఓకే, రైట్ రైట్. హలో, అమ్మా చెప్పు. సరే కానీ అది మన దగ్గర ఆంధ్ర బ్యాంక్ అకౌంట్ అని ఇచ్చాము మన ఎంఎస్కి ఎవరిదన్నా. అవునా, ఓకే ఓకే. నాకు మెసేజ్ పెట్టారు, ఆల్ ద పీపుల్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఆంధ్ర బ్యాంక్ ఇమీడియట్లీ చేంజ్ చెక్ బుక్ అది అన్నారు. అదే అదే అదే. లేకపోతే అదే అదే ఈ శాలరీ క్రెడిట్ అవ్వదని చెప్పి పెట్టారు. అది నీ దగ్గర ఉందా? నీ దగ్గర ఉందా అది? సరే సరే సరే, ఓకే ఓకే. నువ్వు రేపైనా అటు వెళ్ళినప్పుడు చేయించుకొచ్చి ఇంకింది కదా, బాబీ కూడా ఉన్నాడు కదా మళ్ళీ. అవునే, అదే నువ్వు ఉషా దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోయి ఆవిడతో తీసుకెళ్ళాలి, ఇంటి దగ్గరే కదా బ్యాంక్, చేయించుకొచ్చి అంటున్నా మళ్ళీ. గుడ్ ఫ్రైడే, సరే సరే, ఓకే ఓకే, రైట్ రైట్. నవీన్ గారు, నవీన్ గారు, నేను వెంకటగిరి. నేను ఇప్పుడు మీ గ్రూప్లో పెట్టాను, డెప్యూట్ చేయండి ఎలక్ట్రీషియన్ అని. చూడలేదా మీరు? చూడండి చూడండి, దానికి ఎవరు రిప్లై ఇవ్వట్లే. మిగతా సోదంతా ఉంది, అదే షాకు వీకు అనుకుని దానికి ఎవ్వరు రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఈచ్ వన్ పే టు ద ఎలక్ట్రీషియన్ అని చెప్పి పెట్టాను, చూడండి ఒకసారి. ఎవరో ఒకరు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే గుడ్ ఐడియా అని, మిగతా చూద్దాం ఎలా ఉంటుంది రెస్పాన్స్. ఓకే సార్, టేక్ కేర్, బై బై. సార్ నమస్తే సార్, నమస్తే చెప్పండి సార్. అట్లా కాదు కాదు సార్, మన సింగిల్ ఎలక్ట్రీషియన్ అందరికి మన అసోసియేషన్ తరఫున డెప్యూట్ చేసామా? ఎప్పుడు మనం ఏం పే చేయలేదు, మా ఫ్లాట్కే రాలేదు అసలు. మరి అవును కాదు సార్, ఒక విషయం చెప్తాను నేను, అంటే మీరేం అనుకోవద్దు. ఈ ఎక్కువ టెనెంట్స్ అయిపోవడం మనల్ని డామినేట్ చేస్తున్నారు ఫస్ట్ థింగ్. సెకండ్ ఇష్యూ చెప్తాను. కాదు, నేను ఓపెన్గా ఇప్పుడు నేను చాలా రఫ్గా పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను సార్, నా పోస్టింగ్స్ ఫీల్ అయ్యారు. అట్లా కాదు, ఇప్పుడు